Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is me, Mr. Teguh. So today I'm going to show you how to create the augmented reality using Zappar. It's quite easy to make this augmented reality, but before that, let me show you the augmented reality of the Saturn that I have created. So when you scan the image of the Saturn or any marker, the three-dimensional of the Saturn will pop up, and if we click one menu, it will show the size of the Saturn, and also we can click back to the main menu. Even you can hear the real sound in the Saturn by click the second menu, the red one. And also, if you click the video, it'll show you a video of the Saturn explanation. Okay, click back to the main menu, and also you can read the article about the Saturn in Wikipedia. And if you click the quiz, the Google form of the quiz will pop up, and you can start to fill the quiz and submit to your teacher if you are students. Okay, that is the augmented reality that I showed to you, but let me show you on how to make this augmented reality easily. So just go to Google and type Zappar editor, and you go to the first website, zap.works studio. So just hit the first website, and then you go directly to login. Okay, log in with Google, log in with your Gmail, and I have logged in successfully. And you can start by create new project, and you choose designer beta. Actually, you can use the editor provided by the Zappar, but in this case, I use designer beta. This is actually a web-based application, so any kind of the laptop can access the application. So with no worry about the size of the RAM or the quality of the laptop, as long as they have access to the browser, the Google Chrome, and also the internet, they can use this software. So I choose designer beta, so I can continue. And you have to choose one method to share the link to your students, for example, like that. For example, you want students to scan the QR code so students can get the link. Or another option is you just share the link to the WhatsApp group of the class, so you choose the deep link. Or you want students to scan another type of the QR QR code called Zap code. You can choose also this one. But to make it easy, I choose the link so I can share the link to my students in my WhatsApp group class. Okay, rename your project. I rename into AR Saturn one. Okay, just click Open Designer. Wait a moment. So at this stage, you have to choose the type of your augmented reality. Uh, if we choose the image tracking, so students have to scan the image of the augmented reality marker, and the three-dimensional model will pop up above the picture of the marker. Or the students can also use the augmented reality without marker. So you can choose the word tracking. So without marker, the three-dimensional model will pop up above the surface of anything, for example, the surface of the table or the surface of the floor. But in my augmented reality, I choose the image tracking. So I choose the image tracking. So click create scene. Okay, before you upload anything, you have to choose the mode. So there are two modes that you can choose, two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Just choose a three-dimensional. Okay, next step is upload the target image. But we have to look for our target image. So just search our target image. Example, I choose Okay, for example, I choose this one. Image in a new tab and download this image. Okay. If we have the image, just upload into this target image. So just click upload target image, go to download and choose our marker and click upload. Wait a moment. Okay, it takes time. Okay, so we are successfully upload the target image, and you can rotate the image so the marker will look like this. Okay. Okay, next thing is you prepare the three-dimensional object. You can download freely from the Sketchfab website. So you just open a new tab and type sketch. Just click this website, sketchfab.com. Okay, and you can search any three-dimensional model. For example, I will search Saturn. And you checklist the downloadable. Make sure that the model can be downloaded by us. For example, I choose this one. So just click this. And before you download the model, you can see the preview of the model. You can rotate 360 degrees. Okay, to download this, scroll down a bit and click download three-dimensional model. But we have to log in first. So log in with your Gmail and choose your Gmail account. Create account. Okay, already signed up. So we go back to Sketchpad and search. Click downloadable. Choose the model that you want. So this model is free. This model is not free. So I choose the free model one. So I see the preview, rotate it 360 degrees, make sure that this is the design that you want, and click download three-dimensional model. And download the second one, GLTF format. Click download. Okay. After you download the model, you extract the zip file. Okay, this is our file in .gltf, but we need to convert this GLTF format into GLB. So how to convert? Just double click this file. So the built-in software called three-dimensional viewer will open the file. So this software is actually from Windows software. So we can take a review of this model and how to convert into GLB. So just click file and click save as. And the format will be always in GLB. For example, Saturn 3D for AR. Save, and you can close this 3D viewer. So we have this Saturn 3D model in format of GLB and ready to be used. Oh, sorry. So go back to the Zappar editor. We can insert our 3D model by click this menu, 3D, and then browse from the computer and choose your file. So I choose my 3D model. Takes time. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded our three-dimensional model in the format of GLB. So how to insert this three-dimensional model? You click this 3D and drag, click and drag our model to the main screen. As you can see that it's still loading. Okay, you can move the position of this. If the position is not correct, so just rotate this, so it becomes like this. And if you want to make sure that it is exactly at the center, just hit the model and move to the center. And if you think that this is too small, just click this menu and resize the size. All right, really good. Okay, now we can add menu. For example, we want to play the sound of the real environment in the Saturn. So just click button, choose one button model and drag to the main screen. Click front, zoom in, and adjust the position of this menu button. You can change the text of the button, for example, real sound in Saturn. Right. You can also choose the color for this button. Click reference, click this color. It becomes dark blue. And you can also adjust the font height, font size. For example, becomes 1.5 if you think that it is too big. Right. So, okay, choose the button. And you can click the action menu. And what do you want after you click this menu? So click no on tap no action and play sound. Upload the audio. Okay, of course you have to look for the audio of the real environment of the Saturn. So I have this MP3 format of the real sound in Saturn. So just click this file and open it, and it is uploading. All right. You can also, oh yeah. After that, we choose use. And also you can click this play button to get the preview of the sound, the real sound of the environment in the session. Okay, if everything is good, you can click loop to replay the audio after it stops. And also you can stop other media. Just checklist this. Okay, I think we are ready. Okay, after everything is okay. Okay, one more thing. If you want to add another scene, you can click this one. Add scene. Click image tracking, create scene. And this is scene 1, and this is scene number 2. For example, for the scene number 2, you want to show the specific data of the Saturn. I take the data from the Wikipedia. So, for example, you want to show this characteristic of the Saturn planet. So, scroll it and take the screenshot. Right. Download the picture. Okay, go back to the editor, add the image, browse from your computer, and click this picture of the Saturn data. So basically, you can add more, one scene, 3 scene, 5 scene. It's up to you. It depends on the need of your learning design. Okay, we are waiting for uploading. All right, I think we are done to upload the picture of the data, the Saturn. So just drag the picture to the main screen, and you can resize this picture, make it bigger, so your students can read the data from this picture. Right. Okay, this is scene number 2. This is scene number 1. How to move from scene 1 into scene 2. You can create one specific button in scene 1. So just click button. For example, you choose this one, model of the button. And edit the content, sample, Saturn data. All right. With evidence, you can choose any color that you want. For the border. Okay. After you create the button to move to the second scene, click the button and click the action. Choose the action, move links to scene, and choose the scene number 2. This one. Okay, we are done. So I think we are done with everything. This is scene number 1, and this is scene number 2. Okay, if you have done with design, you can take a preview of it and click publish. And wait a moment. Okay, project successfully published. And don't forget to copy the link so you can share this augmented reality to your students. So just copy the deep link and you can share to the WhatsApp group of your class. But you can also try first your augmented reality before you share. So how to try the augmented reality in your computer? Just copy the link and open the link in the new tab. And open the marker in your handphone. And after you open the link of your augmented reality in your browser of your laptop, just click launch, green access, Make sure that your browser has the access to your laptop camera. Click launch. And also you need to let's see. You have to prepare the image marker in your handphone. Right, so the camera of your laptop will be pop up, and prepare the picture of the Saturn or the marker of your AR. And instantly, the three-dimensional model of the Saturn will be pop up, and there are two menus there. You can click with your mouse. One of the menu, click this one, wheel sound in Saturn. Or maybe you can choose the second menu, Saturn data. So this is the second scene. Right, so everything is working well. Thank you and see you later.